In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Black Friday email campaign in Klaviyo. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and heading to the campaign section. This is where you create one-time email sends, like a Black Friday promotion. Once you are there, click Create Campaign and then choose Email. Selecting email ensures you are building a standard promotional message that you can design, review, and schedule. Next, give your campaign a clear name. Use a name that helps you recognize it later, especially if you run multiple sends during the Black Friday weekend. After naming it, select your recipient list. This list controls who receives the email, so choose the audience you want for this offer. For example, you might pick your main newsletter list or a dedicated promotional list, depending on your strategy. Now enter your subject line and preview text. The subject line is what grabs attention in the inbox, and the preview text supports it with a little more context. Keep both aligned with your Black Friday message and make sure the preview text does not repeat the subject line. This small detail can improve clarity and engagement. After that, click into the drag and drop template library. This gives you pre-built layouts that are fast to customize and mobile-friendly. In the search bar, type Black Friday, then browse the results and select a template that matches your brand and the type of promotion you are running. With the template open, edit your images and discount links. Replace placeholder graphics with your product or banner images and confirm that any sale messaging is accurate. When you add discount links, make sure they send people to the correct landing page, product collection, or checkout flow. It is also a good idea to double-check that your links work before you move on, since broken links can cost you sales. When you are finished editing, click Save and Exit. Then click Continue to Review. This review step is where you scan for missing content, formatting issues, or warnings, and it helps you catch problems before sending. Finally, click Schedule and choose your date and time. Pick a send time that fits your audience and your sale timing. Then click Schedule Campaign to lock it in. And that is all there is to it.